How you doing, guys? Got this gun from a friend of mine, and the problem is it's the Bassloader nail gun, and the problem is it's shooting but the nail's not coming out. So the gun is loaded, there's the nails, but nothing coming out. So I'm gonna open it right over here and have a look. So we're gonna open at the back, and it's very common problem that is driver gone. We're gonna open it and see. Okay, so that's the back. That's the seal, what's going on top in here. And we have to pop out this part. We can pop out like that. Oh, yeah. And as I was thinking, the driver is gone. There should be big, long. It's called the driver blade. It's called driver blade. So it's about that much long. So I will go on eBay and I will order it. Usually it's cost around $25–26. To take it out, the old one, we just go and push out this little pin in here, and the driver will come on. The driver will come out. So guys, I push this little pin out. There's a pin coming out, and the broken driver is in here. So I'm going to take this out. And that's the broken driver. So again, I will go on eBay, order a brand new one. When it will come in, I will install that one, and we will see how this work out for us. So guys, I just got my driver blade. There's the driver blade, and passed all the part. The numbers here, but this is specific number for my pin gun. If you have different one, you have to look at your model number and Google it which one will suit you. But that's what the driver should look like. And we go install it. So I install my driver blade and I go install it. So it's like a thread going in here, so you have to make sure to put them correctly. So you have to look at it through the gun and see which way you have your threads going. My threads is going down, so I go install it down. And also what I would recommend to put some oil for it's a special oil you can find it in the section with the pin guns in a hardware shop, Home Depot or something like that, Lowe's, something like that. So I'm just going to put a little bit of it, and I'm going to close it, and we're going to check. Okay guys, so I close the gun. Just make sure when you close it, proper tight it, but do not over tight it, do not break the screws, but tight it that is seal sitting perfectly and you don't have a leakage of the air. So make sure you proper tie it up. Okay, we go and check. So boys and girls, there you go. We changed our driver blade and we go and check how is the gun working now. So there you go boys. That's it. The gun is working perfectly. Thank you very much.